a modern villa built in 2020, designed not for the ordinary, but for those who seek clarity, space, and a sense of arrival. The moment you enter, the house opens itself. Light, height, calm. The private level is crafted for those who value rest as much as ambition. A master suite as a sanctuary. Rooms for family that balance closeness with independence. And an upper floor ready for work, creativity, or retreat. Outside, the story turns into pure lifestyle. A heated pool, a wide terrace, and a garden made for people who need both energy and stillness. This villa is for leaders, creators, and achievers. For families who want space to grow. A rare combination of nature, architecture, and privacy. Welcome to a place where life slows down so you can move forward.